Good. Hey guys, this is the last day of Gert and Robert. It's technically trimming day today. So, as you can see, laki na.
After a week?
After a week,
Yeah.
malaki na.
It's time to...
It's time to trim it finally.
Finally. So,
How should I trim
that's
it?
how you grow
Grass doll.
grass doll. Yeah. For 7 days, you need to monitor and water them every day. Right?
Okay, time to trim them. How should I trim them, Daddy?
Basically you will not trim them. You will put ponytail or just a...
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So that's it.
That's it for our journey of...
Gert and Robert.
Yeah, 7th day journey of Gert and Robert. Bye-bye mga kapo.
I recommend you doing this for your children to have fun.
Yeah.
And for them to kind of stay out of their cell phones.
Yeah, very good.
So, Gert and Robert.
Gert and
Robert.
Robert. Bye.